Mga katrops, kung mahilig kayo sa motorhome, ito yung isa sa mga model nila ng motorhome mga katrops. So tara, at pasukin na natin tong motorhome na to. At ang price ito mga katrops ay nag-range sa 89,991 Canadian dollars. At pwede mo rin siyang i-finance ng 492 bi-weekly mga katrops. So karon, at ipapasukin na natin tong motorhome na to mga katrops. So, dyan lang kayo at sabay-sabay natin itong tuklasin kung anong meron dito sa motorhome. Motorhome to, hindi to RV ha. Alright! Oh my God mga katrops. Ito yung labas ng motorhome na 89,995 Canadian dollars. Come on. At pasukin na natin itong motorhome na to. Yan. Oh, very comfy mga katrops. Hello! How are you, Carol?
I thought I recognized you when I spoke, but I didn't see Marty, so I wasn't sure. And
Very nice this one, eh?
oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Look at my driver over here. Ito yung driver side mga ka-drops. Passenger side. Hello. This one is you can turn it around, right? Like 180 degrees, I think. Like a captain chair, see? Woo! Look at that. Look at this. Mga ka-drops, look at this mga ka-drops. So fancy. Woo! See, I wanna drive this thing. Let's go take a look around. See, this is the inside of the motorhome. See, look at that. You have a sofa chair. Magagawa tong sofa mga katrops eh. At ito yung kainan mga katrops. Yeah. Ang mga ganda dito, yeah, see, para siyang ano mga katrops, natitiklop yan. Tapos pwede kayo magluto dyan, no? Oh, microwave. Yan, see. Wow. I think this is the fridge. Oh, I know it's the fridge. See? Oh my. Akala mo hindi fridge eh, pero fridge pala mga katrops. Ang galing. Yeah. May TV nila mga katrops. Ang galing nito. Wow! Come on this way. I like the motorhome. You can put it down. This one, right? See? Oh, kung mas liwanag sa labas, pwede mo lagay yun. Put it up, okay, put it up. Because Kidnap don't like it. Can you show me the bedroom? Oh, ang galing nito, ang daming malalagay oh. Oh, tingnan mo, mga shelf nila na mga ano na, mga secret. Oh. Yan. Oh. Wow, I like the bed.
This is not for sale. This is not for sale.
Ang lupit. I like it. Look at the bedroom. See? See? Oh, you can put the things there. Wow. Close the door. You can close the door here. This is a sliding door mga katrops. See? See? You can close it. Oh. See? Sasarado mo yan. Oh, wala nang kayo marinig. Oh. Oh, meron pa ng TV dito mga katrops. Ang dami lalagyan. Oh. See? You put your things there. Go inside time.
Go inside the monster park.
Yeah. Oh, see, ang galing nito. I-parking mo lang to sa likod ng bundok oh. Tapos yun oh, lupit habang nag-snow dyan oh. Yan, nagaling talaga ng blackout nito oh. Wow. I like it.
I want to go there.
Yeah.
I want to go.
Don't go there. Come here. Let's go. Oh, this is the washroom. Let's check the washroom first. Oh yeah, this is the washroom mga katrops, see? Oh my God. Stand up shower. Oh, sasarado mo yan, oh. Oh. Yan. See? Ang lupit ng motorhome ito. Go there, come here, this way. See? Ang size nito, sakto lang eh. Kasi yung mga 7-footer dito. Ang taas. Oh my God. Excuse me. Yan mga katrops. See? Yeah. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung labas nito mga katrops. So ito yung labas mga katrops. Pwede mo itong sarado. Tapos yung may TV, may speaker. Tapos maglagay ka lang dito ng mga ano. Nasa labas na ka na. Ano pet? At ito yung awning. Yan, na-extend yan mga katrops. Tapos ito natitiklop nito. Na-extend yan kung gaano kalawak gusto mo. Yeah. Ang lupit itong price nito. 89,000. Come on, man! So yun mga katrops. Hanggang dito na siguro yung vlog natin sa motorhome na ito mga katrops. Pwede mo rin siyang i-pre-own na. Yan ang pre-own na. Financing today. Yan. The same idea. Magpapa-vote ka lang at pre-approve bayad. At matitik na nga kung approve ka rin. Ang price, 89,000. Bigay directly. Yan. Hanggang dito na lang siguro yung vlog natin sa RV na to mga katrops. I mean, motorhome pala. But see you to the next one. Stay tuned and rock and roll. Happy camper.
If you like our video, please like and subscribe.
Rock and roll!